We live in a culture where it's very easy to make allegations against another person, particularly on social media, of some type of harm that they have done to you. There are people who are rightfully accused and those who are wrongfully accused. For those who are rightfully accused, the truth is a complete defense for anyone who you allege has defamed you. Let's talk about two types of defamation. There is written defamation, which is called libel, and there is spoken defamation, which is called slander. So if you put out a video that defames someone, that would be slander. If you write it in a post, on Instagram, a blog, or whatever, a tweet, that would be libel. Now, what's important about things is if what you are saying is true and you feel confident that you have evidence if someone does sue you for defamation, then you can sure feel free to go ahead and spread those, not rumors, but facts as you see them, realizing that anyone on any day with enough money to file a lawsuit can always allege that you did something wrongful to them and can seek damages against you. If you have been harmed by someone, you have been raped, you have been molested, you have been taken advantage of, my first recommendation is instead of putting it online, which you can do at any time, while it is still fresh in your memory and there's potential evidence, you need to file a criminal action against the person or persons who harmed you. Please, there are detectives, police officers waiting to take your statements. When I was in the Senate, we put back a lot of money to be able to see to it that law enforcement had the resources they needed in order to protect victims, particularly of sexual assault. But again, if those allegations are made up and someone is harmed by false allegations, they sure have the right to sue the person or persons who came after them wrongfully for a defamation lawsuit. So there's two edges to that coin. My advice is, of course, tell the truth. And if you have been harmed, please first go to law enforcement. And then, of course, once you're pursuing that case, and particularly after you've gotten a judgment, that person has gone to jail and been punished, you are always free to say and write anything that is truthful. But if you're being untruthful, likewise, the person who has been harmed has the ability to come after you. If you guys recall, I worked very hard when I was in the General Assembly for victims' rights. I helped establish the human trafficking law in our state. I saw and have seen lots of abuse as I have been involved in the criminal justice system now for 30 plus years. We need to do all we can to help victims, and we also need to always seek the truth. God bless. I'm always here to help you. Have questions, problems, concerns? Reach out to me.